Huwag kang pupunta ng Taiwan kung hindi ganito ang itinerary mo. Bakit? Ganito lang yan. So don't forget to save and share this video para madali mo tong mabalikan. By the way, I'm Ian and I share travel tips para masulit mo yung bakasyon mo kasi deserve mo yan. Day 1 is arrival mo sa Taipei via Taoyuan International Airport. Kung kailangan mo ng airport arrivals guide, check out this video na lang. Sa hotel, you can stay sa Ximending area kung gusto mo ng easy access sa food spots, shopping, and nightlife. Ito yung mga hotel recommendations ko na pwedeng mabook sa Agoda na may up to 10% off with my promo code. Kung gusto mo ng mas tahimik, pwede naman somewhere closer sa Taipei Main Station. Try this hotel lalo na if bigger groups kasi up to 4 adults kasha. Sa day 1, pwede kang mag-food trip and mini shopping sa Ximending area. Don't forget to visit the Red House para sa cute local finds and itong mga food spots na to that I recommend. Day 2, pwede kang mag-DIY trip to Taichung. Dito makikita yung Rainbow Village, Chongshu Flower Market, Painted Animation Lane, and more. Try visiting din Miyahara for the ice cream and Chunshui Tang for the boba tea. May dedicated video ako for Taichung DIY so check that one out too. Day 3, pwede kang mag half day trip to Wulai para sa Wulai Waterfalls, scenic train, and food trip sa Wulai Old Street. Super nagustuhan ko tong lemongrass and pepper na Taiwanese sausage so try nyo din. May guide na din ako paano ito i-DIY from Ximending so check that video na lang. Sa hapon, pwede kang dumiretso ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial for more sightseeing tapos mag-Rauho Night Market sa gabi. Para sa transportation, less hassle if meron kang easy card na reloadable para sa train or bus rides. Pero kung malalayo and multiple train rides ka in a day, consider mo din yung unlimited MRT pass na available sa Klook. Discounted yan with my promo code. Day 4, you can go to Maokong and Taipei Zoo. Start early ka sa Maokong Gondola as early as 9 AM going to Maokong Station para sa food trip and sightseeing. Tapos baba ka ng Chunan Temple Station before finally going down sa Taipei Zoo South Station to enter the Taipei Zoo. Kung gusto mo ng detailed walkthrough, meron na din akong video that you can check out. Day 5, you can visit the Taiwan North Coast. Ito yung area ng Yelyu Geopark, Shifin Old Street, Jofin Old Street, and more. May mga day tours available sa Klook for a less hassle visit. Day 6, you can visit Taipei 101 for more sightseeing and shopping before finally flying back from Taipei. And kung gusto mo ng more Taiwan tips and recommendations, join our FB group. Hope this helps. More travel soon!